Welcome back to our weekly threat briefing. This past week was a pressure cooker for enterprise security teams, with major incidents hitting critical platforms and supply chains. Let's dive into the top 3 threats you need to know about. First up, Oracle is under sustained fire. Just last week they dealt with a 0-day, and now they've had to issue a second emergency patch for the e-business suite. What does this tell us? It proves that attackers are laser-focused on your most vital business systems. If you're running Oracle, this isn't just a patch, it's a wake-up call. It's time for a systemic hardening of these platforms, because the bad guys know exactly where to hit you to cause the most damage. Next, we have a messy supply chain situation. After a law enforcement takedown, Splinter Group, calling themselves Scattered Lapses Dollar Hunters, is retaliating by leaking customer data. Salesforce has stated its core platform wasn't breached, which highlights a crucial lesson for all of us. The danger isn't always the main platform you trust. It's the sprawling web of less secure, third-party apps connected to it. Each connection is a potential entry point. This incident is a stark reminder to vet your entire software ecosystem, not just the big names. Finally, we're in the middle of a full-blown cybersecurity emergency. A critical CVSS score of 10 0-day vulnerability was discovered in Fortress. GoAnywhere MFT, a popular file transfer tool. Attackers are already exploiting it in the wild to deploy Medusa ransomware. This is a classic race against the clock. Puts every organization's vulnerability management program to the ultimate test. If you're not patching this right now, you are dangerously exposed. As our CEO Derek Smith said, this week proves that risk is convergent. A flaw in your ERP, a weak link in your supply chain, or a 0-day in a file transfer system, they all funnel down to the same devastating outcome: business disruption. A truly resilient strategy has to see the bigger picture and address all these threats holistically. From a technical perspective, our expert, Marcel Santos, adds that what we're really seeing is a failure of visibility and control at the seams of the enterprise. The gaps between applications, between partners, and even between patch cycles are where attackers thrive. This is exactly why automation and a unified security architecture are no longer optional. They're non-negotiable for survival. At Trescudo, we specialize in helping businesses build that unified defense to protect against these convergent threats. If you want to understand how these incidents could impact your organization and what you can do about it, check out our full in-depth analysis. The link is waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe out there, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more essential security insights. We'll see you next week.